trying to do, something that is cool to me because I'm trying to kill hogs from my Quiet Cat. It's electric bike, off-road. It's beautiful. Hogs move a lot in the spring and fall when it's still pretty weather in the south especially. I got a shotgun. We'll just keep shooting, creeping, stalking, quiet catting around. Man, Axel, did you see the turkey get up behind him?
Yeah, I think there was two.
Freaking awesome. All right, first hog down. We got another spot. It's far, but I've done over 20 miles on this Quiet Cat. Let's go. Let's go get another one. Go get that hog right there, a big old sow. Now, that is a Susie, partner. Little Quiet Cat got us here. And you know, that's what I'm thinking is exercise, fun. We're gonna load her up tonight and somebody's gonna eat pork, bacon, backstrap, the other white meat. So this is the gift that keeps giving. Fun, land management, and feeding families.